Hello everyone, this is Swagat Mishra. I am the senior product manager working with Movie. I work with on your player, on the encoding and anything related to ads. Um, so today we'll start on a very basic problem uh, that people have when they want to manage their videos across multiple media channels. Uh, uh, and what I'll do is I will quickly explain the problem statement. Then I'll explain different use cases of how you can use videos on social media and how movie can help solve some of the issues that you have when you manage multiple channels. So we'll move on with the first thing is the use cases. Um, there are many ways we use videos on social media, for your brand promotion, or it can be for other activities like regular activities. uh, a few examples that I have mentioned, like for example, if you're a marketing team and you have a lot many channels like across, like let's say you have channels in YouTube, you have a couple of channels in Facebook and Instagram. And as a marketing team, what you want to do is you want to like schedule your videos uh, uh, across all these multiple platforms. um, then next, like for example, people who are in the movie production business, like they want to publish their trailers across YouTube and Facebook. So uh, then they need they of course need a platform where like they'll be having a single setup where they can manage the multiple platform easily. The next can be for example, a news media house where they have their news and they want to publish it in different social media platforms. Now, the issues with managing multiple social accounts, especially for video, because first of all, when you have a video can be a very large file, and when you have multiple accounts, then it is very difficult to like manually go to each of the accounts and then post all the videos. And the number one issue that you'll always face is when you have multiple accounts, you have to log into all the accounts, then you have to manually also upload the video to each of the accounts, which is a very time consuming process. Then also when you have multiple channels, then it is very difficult, sometimes there is also issue with human error, you may upload the wrong video in the wrong channels. And also when you want to look at the analytics, or if you want to look how your content is performing on the social channels, then you have to also log in into the multiple channels to get the analytics information. But of course, want to use social media because the benefits are a lot of benefits. First of all, your users are on social media today and you cannot ignore it, and it is easy to reach your users. If you are on multiple platforms, then you can connect to a large user base, and also you can engage personally with them because they are on social media platform. So how does movie help you manage your videos? Uh, First of all, the simple thing that we have done is we have given you a single dashboard where you can log in and you can upload all the videos that you have in a single dashboard, and then using the same dashboard you can publish the content to multiple social media accounts. Now let's say you have Facebook and YouTube and Twitter account, you want to publish either to all three of them, or you may publish to a couple of them. That is something you can do from the dashboard. Then what we have done is we have analytics integrated into the dashboard, where once there is some analytics that information is available with the system, then you can go to the analytics section and you can see the analytics, how your content is performing on the different social media platforms. And we also have scheduling, where you can schedule your posts, where if you have a calendar and you already know what content you are going to publish on a certain date, then you can schedule that for different platforms. And of course, for each of the platforms, whenever you upload the content, then you can customize the metadata of the content that you post along with your video. This is just a high-level example of how it is supposed to work. You can upload all your content to the Movie CMS, and then you can select your for each of the content you can select which social media accounts you want to publish the content to, and then you can publish the content to the said platforms. So what I'll do is I'll quickly give you a demo of how the CMS works, and then I'll introduce you to the social publish feature, which is what we use to publish the content from Movie CMS to the social platforms like YouTube or Facebook. So what I've done is I have gone ahead and to movie.com and I have taken a free trial. You can see you can go to movie.com, you can go to movie server and then take a free trial. I've already taken a free trial and I have uploaded a few content. So just to give you a brief overview before you go into the social media aspect, when you log in into your CMS, you will see your content library in the left hand side. And here in the content library, that is like the area where you are going to, that is the module where you are going to upload all your content. So the process is very simple. You can add a content and then map the media file to it and then proceed. What I'll do is, first of all, I'll create a category because I like to keep my content organized. So let me create a quick category. Okay, so I created a category. So next what I'll do is I'll go to my content library. I'll add a couple of content. Okay, the first thing it asks is what is the content type. So it is a video. I'll give it a name. The permalink will be automatically selected for you. And I'll select a category, let's say webinar. Then if I want, I can select a poster for the content. Let's say I'll use this as a poster. Okay, so the poster is ready. Next, I'll upload the content. Okay, so here if I want, I can check whether I have uploaded the right video or not. I'm sure this is the right video for it. So I'll quickly click on save. So this content is ready. So whenever you upload your content to Movie CMS, then what we do is we take the source video and we encode it into multiple resolutions. and this is done so that we saw, like, whenever end user tries to play the content, we check that what is the internet speed, and then we serve the right size for them. And they can also of course, like, select if they want to change the resolution and they want to select a higher resolution or a lower resolution, they can do that. So I'll just let the encoding complete. I'll quickly walk you through the other sections, that is the social publish destinations. So here you can see I have added a couple of social media channels. So what you have to do is, in social media publish destinations, you have to first define all your channels where you want to publish your videos. So here I have already added a couple of them, so I'll quickly delete them. So I'll give you a walkthrough of the entire process. I'll delete the YouTube, I delete the Facebook. So I can click on add destination. Then I'll select any account. Like, let's say I want to select the YouTube, and I'll sign in into my YouTube channel. Then I'll click on allow. So basically what you do is you allow movie to, like, connect to your account and publish to your account. So here if you see, like, we give you the link to view the channel. So I can see this is my channel. I'll get back to this later. And of course, if I'm not satisfied, this is not the right channel, I can of course delete it. So what I'll do is, first I'll publish to let me first add the Facebook so that I can show you both of them. Let me select Facebook. I'll sign it into my account. Okay, in Facebook it will ask me which page I want to use for this. I'll select movie demo. So I'm set. So right now what I have done is I have defined what are the channels and the social media sites where I am going to publish my content. Next, what I'll do is I'll go to my content library. I'll select one of the content and I'll publish first to YouTube, then I'll publish to Facebook. Okay, since the encoding is not yet complete, I'll just select one of the other videos. This is a video I have. I uploaded this before the webinar. So here if you see, there's a action called social publish. So I'll click on this. And then what it says me that currently my content is not yet published to YouTube. And then it allows me to update some of the metadata that I'll publish along with the video. And at the end, you can see this is the original video that I had, and we already have the thumbnail that I had set up as the poster. So what I can do is, like, let's say I want to publish to YouTube, I can select YouTube. Then I can edit the name if I want to, but I'll not edit the name, I'll just edit the description. Then visibility, this is something we have all these options. These are the standard options for YouTube. I'll just select public. If you want to schedule your videos, like I explained that we allow you to schedule your videos, you can click here and click on schedule. If you're not sure what these options are, you can always click on this and go through it. These are the standard YouTube definitions for the visibility status of a video. So when you select on schedule, we ask you to give you a date and time, and then you can select the time zone where you want to publish to. So I'll just for this demo, I'll just select the public so that my video gets published instantly for my viewers. So what I'll do is I'll click on publish. So what we do is, whenever you click on publish, what we do is we start uploading the content to the specific social media site that you have selected. So in this demo, what I did was I published this content to YouTube. So what I'll do is I can quickly, if I want to see the status of whether it has been uploaded or not, I can click on this button over here. And you can see the status says that published to YouTube is successful. So if I want to see my channel, I can directly go to YouTube and select my channel, or what I can do is I can go to social published destinations and I can select the YouTube channel. We have the option to open the channel from here. I click on videos. So here you can see the content that I uploaded to YouTube is available here, and I can click on it and I can play it. But since I uploaded the video just recently, YouTube is right now encoding the videos to the renditions that they have set for the video. So it will take a while, and we can get back to this later after I show you how it works on YouTube, and then we'll see how it works. So I'll quickly go to the content library. I'll select the same content. I'll publish this on Facebook. So again, I'll repeat the same process. I'll select on social publish. Then I select on Facebook. It says that not published yet on Facebook because I have not published it yet. I'll make some changes if I want. Then I'll select public. I can also select schedule if I want to schedule it, like in YouTube, but I'll just select publish so that I can see the video instantly on YouTube, on Facebook. So here's our original video and the thumbnail. I'll just click on publish. So right now the message says that it will be published to Facebook shortly. Again, if I want to check whether it has been published to Facebook or not, then I can click on social publish, and then click on the status. So I'll just select Facebook because I want to see the status of Facebook. So it still says publish to Facebook in process. We'll give it a minute for it to publish. Okay, let me refresh it again. I'll select Facebook. Okay, right now it says public to Facebook is successful. So what I'll do is, again, I want to see if the content has been published or not. I click on social published destinations. Then against the Facebook, I can select the page. I click on it. Then I go to the videos. In Facebook, it takes a bit of time to show the video, but once the video is uploaded, it will be available in this section in your page, Facebook page. So what I'll do is I'll quickly go to the YouTube section and see if my content is available for review. So this is the video that I published. And as you can see, the content will start playing. So this is the feature. We call it as social publish, and what it does is basically it gives you a single CMS where you upload all the content, and then you can select your preferred media channels where you want to publish your content. You don't have to upload it to different platforms again and again. The system will do it for you. That is the primary use case of social publish feature. So moving on. Right now we are also working on how you can publish to Spotify and iTunes. That is of course for the audio, and also you will be able to live stream your events directly to YouTube, Facebook, and other multiple channels that we will keep on adding. So we are Movie, and we have been in this business for the last 10 years, and we are primarily into the video audio space, where we allow you to launch your platforms into, like if you want to launch your business, like OTT business, into multiple platforms. That is something we do. That is our core product. We also have other products. We have 9+ products in our uh, 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 in movie.com. What you can do is you can quickly go to movie.com, and in the all product section you can see all the different products that we have, and then you can take a free trial. You just select any of the product that you want, and then you can take a free trial for that product, so that you can understand, like get a feel of how our product works. So if you have any questions, then you can drop it in the chat, or you can uh, speak to ask. Okay. Okay. The first question is, if we are already encoding in movie, then why are we encoding again in the social platform level? Is that double compression, and is there a loss of quality? Okay, so this is a very good question. So what we do is, the way we have built the movie server platform, we allow you to, like, apart from uploading to different social platforms, you also can use the video to embed in your own websites. Like if I go to the CMS, then I can, if click on embed, then here I get the embed code to, like, add to my website. So this is the embed code that I can add to my website. And this is the primary reason. What we do is, whenever you upload a content to movie, we encode it on our end. But what we do is, when we publish the content to social media sites, what we do is we publish the original source file that you uploaded directly to our CMS. That is what we publish to the social site. So it is not double compression. It is only compression that happens on the specific target. Like in the social media platform, they take the original source and compress it based on their rules. Okay, so the next question is whether the social publish is available in the movie CMS for all the users. The answer is yes, it is available for all the users. But right now, if you want to use movie, the social publish platform, then you have to go to movie server to use it. We are like, it is like in our roadmap to add also this feature to our core product, that is the movie store CMS. So what we'll do is, like, since there are no more questions, what you can do is you can send us email. We have our email ID here in the slide, marketing@movie.com. You can reach out to us, ask any questions, and we'll be happy to help you out. So that's it for today. Hope you have a good day. Hope you are safe and your family is safe. Thank you.